Hello, Brianna's Bananas. It's me again, Brianna's cousin Barbara. I'm visiting again from Kansas for the holidays, and I came a little bit early because you know how expensive it is. You know how expensive it is to travel during the holidays? Super expensive. So I came early. And I've noticed she slowed down making some of her videos, so I'm gonna make a video for you today. I was going through her cookbooks, and last time I was here, I made y'all grilled cheese from Gordon Ramsay. Well, I was making fun of Gordon Ramsay, and I made a better grilled cheese than his. This time, we're gonna go through his recipe book and actually make, it's called cheese toasties, which is like we're making a cheese spread, and then we're gonna make a grilled cheese from it. So there's a couple weird things about it though that I'm skeptical. We got an egg yolk that we're putting in here. We're putting Worcestershire and we're using olive oil instead of butter, okay? So we'll see how this turns out. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Don't let me down again, Gordon. So, let's get started on our cheese toasties. I don't know how to do that magic stuff, so I just put everything cleverly behind this cookbook. I got my fancy white bread, split top. I got an egg. I got my Worcestershire. Instead of light cream, I have milk. Cause you know how much light cream is? It's like $4.99 for a little thingy of it, and I just need a tablespoon. So we're using milk. I don't have Dijon, but I have spicy brown, which is equally as good, if not better. And for the cheese, medium cheddar. Got 8 ounces. Alrighty. I also got my food processor behind here. We're gonna process it up and then we're gonna grill it. Do you guys like grilled cheeses? It's one of my favorite foods, to be honest. When I'm feeling down, I make myself a grilled cheese. When I'm not feeling good, grilled cheese is where it's at. You guys write in the comments how you like a grilled cheese. Or cheese toasty, or whatever you call it. Wherever you're from. Let me know where you're from. Where are you watching this from? Alright, well that was faster than I thought it was going to be. I cubed up all this cheese. So let me throw it in this processy. Oh! Don't tell no one, you gotta test the cheese. Make sure it's not poisonous, okay? I have to separate this egg. I was choking on the cheese. I'm gonna try a hack with this water bottle. We'll see how it takes the egg yolk out. Let's crack your egg in the bowl. Rinse off your fingies. And then what you do, let all the air out of the bottle. Put it over the yolk. Suck it up in the bottle. Oh my God, it worked! You see my eggy yolk? It's right there in the bottle. Here's my whites. There's a life hack for you. Plop my egg right in there. How do you like that? You can save that egg yolk. You can just like cook it up and eat it. You can mix it in with whatever you're baking next. I don't know, cook it up and give it to your dog, whatever. We got Worcestershire. I can't find the teaspoon, so I'm going to use a half teaspoon, but I need 2 to 3 teaspoons of Worcestershire. And then the mustard, we're going to do a half teaspoon. Keep the cream on deck / milk so I can, you know, homogenize. I'm going to scrape it down because there's a lot of chunks on the side. All right, this is what we have. It's kind of thick. It's like Dairy Queen ice cream. So there we go. Got our cheese spread. Now this is supposed to make 4 sandwiches. 4. This one's got a big hole in it. Here we go. Okay. And we're going to spread the cheese. I bet you could just eat this with some crackers and it'd be really good. Some Ritz crackers. Don't you let any cheese go to waste. Cheese is very precious. To me, at least. Our cheese is evenly spread through 4 sandwiches. I'm going to take some olive oil. Just kind of coat the bottom of the pan. Turn it on like medium so you're not burning your toasties. Now another thing I thought was kind of strange. We're going to cut off the edges and then we're going to cut them in diagonal before we put it on the pan. Like normally you make a grilled cheese and then you cut it in half, right? No, not today. So here's my little triangles. Ready to go in the pan. I'm gonna do that to the rest of these. I'm gonna toast them up. And then I'm gonna come right back and then we're gonna try our toasties. Maybe we'll dip them in some ketchup or something. All right, be right back. Alrighty, you guys, I cooked them all up. They kind of started oozing out. They're a little hard to lay. I can't get it out of the pan. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. Now, I don't know if you noticed all this scrap. What you could do, put it in a bag, take it to the park, feed the birds. But just so you know, or you remember, it does have that egg yolk in it, so don't keep it too long before you go to the park. Could also just toss it in this pan right now, toast them all up, have little crusties, toasty crusties. That's my 2 ideas. So let's get to these toasties. I'm gonna pick out my favorite one. Let's go with this one. Toasty. Now, I do have some ketchup on the side just in case. But let's try it how it's meant to be. Ready? Think. Okay. It's a little more than a grilled cheese. Because it's got it's got a little bit of smokiness from the Worcestershire, and at the end you can taste the mustard. It's definitely goopy. There's no crust on it. I like it. It's not too bad. It might be better if you get like a sharp cheddar, but I just went with medium just for a good medium. You know what I mean? That's pretty good. All right, Gordon Ramsay, you redeemed yourself. Gordon Ramsay makes it easy, I guess. Let's try dipped in some ketchup though. Look, these sleeves are just getting everywhere. Try with the ketchup. I don't know about that. That makes it a little weird. Last time, I made a dip just with ketchup and barbecue mixed together. Maybe that will be a little bit better with the smokiness inside the sandwich. I don't know what's going on with this ketchup. It's not that bad. It's growing on me. Well, thanks for watching this video. Hope you try and make some cheese toasties for yourself. Next time you feel like a grilled cheese, spice it up a little. Gordon Ramsay way. And share this with your friends. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. All that stuff for Brianna's Bananas. So you can also become a banana in the banana bunch of Brianna's Bananas. Alright, see you next time with another video. Bye-bye.